Okay, folks, today we're going to take a quick look at the Fifth Element bump cover. Upon opening your box that it's shipped in, you'll find simple, easy to read instructions in a small bag with 2 bolts in it. As you see, a quick glance shows the Fifth Element didn't cut any corners when manufacturing this bracket. It is a very heavy-duty, robust bracket and offers many arrangements for properly positioning your cargo. On the bottom of the bracket, you'll see there's 4 10mm head bolts, and at the top pad you'll see there's another 4. This allows for maximum arrangement configuration. The first step of the instructions say to remove the Kawasaki seat bottoms. In this clip, you can see we've already done that, and we've actually hosed it off a little bit because, well, we like to ride our buggy, so it gets dirty. The second step of instruction says to remove the front inner 10mm head bolts that retain the seat brackets. Don't worry, we'll replace these at a later step. You'll also retain the 3 other OEM bolts that hold the seat bracket down. Once you remove your OEM front inner hold down bolts, you'll then want to put the bump cover over top of the cup holder. Be sure that the mount holes fit inside of the OEM frame pockets. The fourth step of the process is to install the newly supplied bolts and tighten them to Kawasaki specifications. You can substitute specifications for Ugga-Duggas, I suppose, if you wanted also. They will require a 13mm socket in order to tighten them down. The last step of this process is to install the seat bases. Stand back and enjoy your new bump cover. An added tip of advice is to invest in an easy to operate cargo securing device, whether it be some type of lap belt or whichever you choose. They could easily be secured using the OEM seatbelt hold down bolts. But as I said, that's just a tip. I think I'll be adding one.